The pig. Chinese zodiac personality. Compassionate, generous, honest, diligent, kind, optimistic, sincere, trusting, and sometimes naive or self-indulgent. Correlated dog breeds. Basset Hound. Known for their gentle and easygoing nature, Basset Hounds are often seen as happy-go-lucky and incredibly good-natured. Pug. Affectionate and charming. Pugs are often good-humored and enjoy their creature comforts, embodying a joyful indulgence. Bernese Mountain Dog. Gentle, good-natured, and devoted, Bernese Mountain Dogs are known for their calm demeanor and kind hearts, always eager to please. Stay tuned as we present a recap of all zodiac types. Follow, like, and subscribe. This is the best way not to miss out on Feng Shui dogs.